Calculating concentrations. So this is using molarity and or molality, we'll just use molarity, to figure out an answer to a problem. So here's a couple of questions. How many moles of solute are in, part A, 1 liter of a 6 molar solution, 2.5 liters of a 0.8 molar solution, and 600 milliliters of a 1.3 molar solution? So I've boxed this. The moles of solute are always the unknown that you're solving for. So that should go on the far right-hand side. The volume is what you are given, 1 liter, 2.5 liters, or 600 milliliters. So that should go on the far left. And then your conversion. So the molarity is always going to be a conversion. It's moles over liters. And you may need an additional conversion if what you're given is in milliliters rather than liters, right? Remember that your units have to cancel out. And if molarity is in moles per liter and my given is in milliliters, I have to convert to liters. So the first one is the simplest one. I have 1 liter, and it's a 6 molar solution, so I multiply by 6 over 1 liter of solution, so I get 6 moles of solute. 2.5 liters of a 0.8 molar solution is going to give me so this cancels out. I get 0.8 here. 0.8 times 2.5 is 2. 2 times 42 is 84 grams. So that would be 84 grams of lithium. And if this originally had 800 milliliters, I would need 84.0 for 3 significant figures. Third question. What is the molality of a solution if 3 moles of solute are dissolved in 3 kilograms of solvent? So this is where we have to remember that molality is moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. So here I'm just dividing the moles of solute by the amount of solvent that I have. 4 moles divided by 3 kilograms, in this case 2 moles divided by 0.5 kilograms, and 2 times 10 to the negative third divided by 1 times 10 to the negative second. So remember that a lot of the amounts that we're going to be using are going to have scientific notation, so make sure that you brush up on your scientific notation. The units here have to be little m, lowercase m, as opposed to the uppercase m that we had in the previous situation, because we're looking at molality, not molarity. It doesn't really have to be italicized. So the general strategy, if I'm given grams or moles and I want to get to molarity, then I divide by the liters of solution, and you may have to convert milliliters to liters. If I'm going from grams to moles to molarity, then I have to divide by the molar mass to get to moles, and then I divide by liters of solution, possibly converting milliliters to liters. If I'm given big M and I'm trying to go to grams, I take my big M, which is moles per liter, and I multiply it by liters. I may have to convert milliliters to liters. That will give me moles. Then I multiply by my molar mass, and that will give me grams. If with molality, I'm given grams and I want to get to molality, grams of solute, I divide my grams of solute by the molar mass to get moles, and then I divide by kilograms of solvent. I may have to convert grams to kilograms. And then the final one is if I'm given molality and I want to find out how many grams of solute that I need, then I convert my molality, which is moles of solute over kilogram of solvent. I multiply by kilograms. I may have to convert from grams to kilograms, which will give me moles, and then I multiply by the molar mass to get grams.